Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore your forgotten PIN or password on ACER Predator 17. And there are two different cases. You can either be logged in with your Microsoft account or with a local account, and it'll be different for both of them. So first I'm gonna talk about the Microsoft account. If you have the Microsoft account, then you most probably have a PIN set. And you will have the button I forgot my PIN. If you click on that, then it'll load for a moment, and after that it should show the Microsoft account window. This means that you have Microsoft account, and what you should do is just enter the password to your Microsoft account, not to your computer. And if you don't remember the password for that, it's easier to recover it because you can just click on forgot password. It will send you a link to your email, and on another device you can simply log into that email, click on the link and restore it, or maybe it'll send you something to your phone number if you have phone number hooked up to the Microsoft account. But yeah, so let's just simply type in the password here. And now it asks me for a type of verification of my identity. So I'm gonna click on the email, and then I'm gonna find the code from the email. So hold on a second. Okay, I got the code. I can just click on verify, and it did not verify. So yeah, I'm gonna try again, I guess. Okay, and now I should be able to verify it. Yeah, and just click on continue and set a new PIN that you'll remember this time. Now I'm gonna talk about those who just don't have a Microsoft account, and later on I'm gonna talk about those that weren't able to recover. So if you don't have a Microsoft account, then you should first try entering a wrong password just to have a button I forgot my password, and that should in theory let you answer 3 security questions that you have answered during the setup of your password, and if you answer them correctly, then you'll be able to set a new password. That's why it's very important to answer these questions truthfully, so you don't forget the answers to them. And that's the only reason why you should answer these questions truthfully. So yeah, and if you have all of that set, then it's great. But if you weren't able to recover it, then unfortunately all you can do is install Windows from USB. And if you want to do that, then simply watch a video on our channel on how to install Windows from USB on this ACER Predator 17. And unfortunately it will erase all your data, but it's better to have access to a device and lose data than to not have access at all. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.